Hi, this is to showcase a pocket milling with a ball nose cutter using Pro Engineer. Now the final result is going to be something like this. We will show you two methods, one by which a method by which you should not do, and second the way it should be done. The first method, we already have a pocket mill, but then and we'll use a fillet to get the desired results. Now when I use the fillet, I can let us see what happens when I use the fillet. Okay, I get this concave surface, fine, this looks fine, but then what happens when I give the OK, or when I try to preview it? I give the radius as equal to half the width of between the two distances, so as to get a nice concave surface at the ends. Yes, it gives me an error. So what do I do? So this is not the method by which I can do it. This is what you might also have got it. Most people will try to do this by giving a fillet. So let me try to do this a different method. I will first let me suppress the two features. So the features are gone. I only have a block. Now let me do the milling. When you use a ball nose cutter, the idea is to give a first sketch is what you call a swept profile, and then a cross section for the profile. The cross section will be a J. First I will try to make a symmetrical. It is always a good design practice to have symmetrical, make it symmetry with respect to the component. Let me give some dimensions. Okay, draw two circles, and then I'll chop off the profile. Yes, that's, you get a keyway. That's something that looks like a keyway. I'll give this 15. Okay, there you have got it, something like this. Now this is the profile. I will use an insert sweep cut command. Remember, it is an insert sweep cut. And I'll choose the curve from all. Let me remove the shading so it becomes very clear for you to see. It's very important to select the front plane also as a sketch reference, because that is where our sketch is going to end. So even if the Pro does not select it automatically, you have to select it manually. Yeah, there the center is on the reference plane. So I have a perfect radius there. There it gives an error. That's because I did not select add inner faces. You must always add inner faces for open sketches. Otherwise you need to have a closed loop. So let me quit the sketch, and I'll say I set the attribute add inner faces. That's it. I'm adding inner faces. Okay, come back to sketch again. I say okay. It's asking me which side to remove. I select the inside side. There you see the preview. Satisfactory. It's okay. There, I do not know how it's going to be after I load it on the YouTube. So let me first give it a color for the inside surface so that you can actually it is much better visible. Let me give it a color. Let me select yellow. There you have yellow. Let me change the background color too. I'll change it to green. System colors. And select white on green. So there you are. It's done. Okay, thank you.